This is Brett Pikula with Magnum Research Fieldcraft, and today we'll be talking about the installation and removal of the BFR grip. Step 1, open your loading gate and check all chambers to make sure that the gun is unloaded. Put the gun down on its top strap, take your grip takedown tool, insert it into the bottom of the grip, pushing it back, and you'll feel it release from the grip frame. Remove the grip from the grip frame, and your grip is removed. To reinstall your BFR grip, take your BFR grip takedown tool, place it into the bottom of your BFR grip, place the grip frame into the grip. This has been Magnum Research Fieldcraft. For more information on BFRs and other Magnum Research products, visit us at magnumresearch.com.